Alright, what's good, YouTube? Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time it is, two beautiful individuals. And today, my homeboy, well, I can't even call him my homeboy, but I didn't meet him that long ago. Just copped the 340. And I'm gonna do a little video of the differences between ours. And mind you, mine's a stage 2 and his is stock. But also, his has more options, and it's a year old, like older than mine or younger than mine. Would it be older or younger? Younger, one year younger. So y'all already see my car, so we gonna go into his car first. You know everything about your car, bro. Show me your car. Beat the lineup though, bro. With the BMW LED flickers, that's crazy. All right, bro. Show me something, bro.
Ain't nothing too crazy. The only shit I got is brown interior.
Brown interior over mine. My black is interior. I kind of like peanut butter, bro. It's like, it has taste to it.
I got Apple CarPlay.
Yeah, that does. I forgot for the 2017 models. Let me see. For the 2017 models, they have the updated infotainment. This is my favorite feature, bro. This is my favorite feature, bro. Oh, I guess it just happened, but this is my favorite feature. When you get to see that thing. Fire. He has blind spot monitoring. What else does he have? He has a digital dash. I don't have that. I damn near have poverty spec. He has full buttons. I had to add this button in. Don't tell me.
My backup camera doesn't even work. So.
Don't worry, bro. I mean, it could always be worse. Bro, I'm gonna get you right, bro. I'm gonna get you right. He has that, obviously. That's comfort access. I'll show you, because the comfort access module is right here. If your car doesn't have it, you won't have that little thing right there. So that was the comfort actual. Oh yeah, bro, we need to get the fuses for your car, bro. I was literally at my house. Liquid Molly. Shoot. I'm already inserted a little 20-roll clip because I already recorded down. It's a 360 cam right there. Alright, so casual stock B58, well, what the hell? B58 things. He already has like 2 common issues. A loose coolant cap and then a broken air silencer. So yeah, mine's went out like that too. I ended up breaking it off and just running lean for like forever until I got an intake. And then I've never had that issue. I have run into the oil filter housing issue, but that's a video for another day. As far as y'all know, my car has 0 problems.
Most likely I got to change this vent too.
It's gonna throw a code like that. It did it for me, but it was a fake code. You don't really got to do it, but if you want to, I guess all power to you. I'm so happy to turn the box off. That was right next to my air. Are you gonna unlock this?